What up, what up? This is Foreman. This is our final transformation that we're going to do. This is called dilations, okay? It's pronounced dilate, and I know it looks like it's spelled dilations, but it is what it is. Deal with it. Um, okay, dilations are, to me, they're just simple. It's multiplying. You know how to multiply, right? Okay, well, you know how to do dilations. It's just kids freak out about it because I think it has a lot to do with fractions. And kids, when it comes to multiplying fractions, they get all scared. And don't get scared, okay? You know how to multiply. If you know how to multiply, you know how to multiply fractions, okay? Dilations. Just remember, you are going to draw multiply, and I'm going to explain what you're going to multiply here in just a second, okay? um, Little children, you're going to multiply each ordered pair by the scale factor. What's a scale factor? Similar to rotations, how it's told you like 90 degrees, 180, 270, it's going to tell you the scale factor of what you're going to dilate. And dilating is getting bigger or smaller. If you go to the eye doctor, they dilate your eyes to check to see if you have like an eyeball disease. All right, so they dilate your pupils to so they can look inside your eye to see if you got some sort of crazy eyeball disease. All right, that means you're getting bigger. Your pupils are getting bigger. Well, in math, it's bigger or smaller. Okay, and it depends on what the scale factor is. Okay, if the scale factor, let's call it x, is greater than 1, you're getting bigger. If the scale factor is less than 1, you're getting smaller. So the directions are going to say something similar to this. Let's do text box. Let's say okay, so we're going to dilate ABC by a scale factor of 2. So what that means is we're going to be getting bigger, little children, because that's a number greater than 1, and you're going to multiply each ordered pair by the scale factor, okay? Don't make it harder than it needs to be, and I understand that, it might be a little bit confusing at first, but it's really not, okay? Just multiply each ordered pair by the scale factor. So we've got to write down the ordered pairs, right? So I'm going to say draw. Oh, I'm going to do it over here. I'm going to say, oh, A is at 0, 2. B is at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is at 4, 6. Sorry, I'm kind of rushing right here to get this done, and my handwriting I know is a little bit confusing. This is 8, 2. This is B. This is C. So we're going to multiply each ordered pair by the scale factor, which is 2. So this is going to give you 0, 4. 0, 4, you're going to have 8, 12, and then you have 16, 4. And that's it. 0, 4. 1, 2, 3. Plot the points, connect the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It goes off my paper. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do? You're going to plot the point off the paper. Okay? No big deal. And then C is going to be 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot the points, connect the dots. See how it got bigger? Now, we are going to say these shapes are not congruent. If you remember, congruent means same size, same shape. Those are obviously different sizes. So we call those similar, not congruent. They are the same shape, meaning the angles are the same. They're just different sizes. All right? You're not going to dilate a triangle and get a square. All right? It's going to be the same shape. It's just going to be a different size. Okay? That is a test question. Which of the following transformations does not produce congruent image? Rotations, reflections, dilations, translations. You got to know that translations and reflections and rotations all produce congruent images. Dilations don't. They produce a similar image. Now, I am going to now change this, and I'm not going to put the fraction in there. I am, but I just want you to understand it's going to look like this. Dilate by a scale factor of 1/2. So this is getting smaller. Okay? Let's do it. This is a different question. Okay? It's not the same question. You're going to be getting smaller. Yes? 0, 2. We'll do it up here. 0, 2. What's half of 0? What's half of 2? Or, in case you don't remember, let's go down here. Let's say 1/2. If you take half of something, if you multiply, that's taking half of in this question. You're going to have 1/2 times 2, which is 2 over 1. And then I multiply straight across. A lot of kids cross multiply. Cool. If that's the way you want to do it, fine. I multiply straight across. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And then 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. So half of 2 is going to be uno, which is right up there, what we got. This is going to be 4, 6. Half of 4 is going to be 2. Whoa. Half of 6 is 3. And then the next one is going to be 8, 2. It's going to be 4, 1. If you notice, they're going to be the same shape, just different sizes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. A prime, B prime, C prime. Here are your ordered pairs. You multiply each ordered pair by the scale factor. In this question, it's 1/2. So you're going to multiply each number times 1/2, or take 1/2 of each one of those numbers. Don't make it harder than it needs to be. All right, little children. So you're going to have half of 0, 2, which is going to be 0, 1. Half of 4, 6, which is going to be 2, 3. And then half of 8, 2 is going to be 4, 1. All right. So half of 8 is 4. Half of 2 is 1. Oh, come on now. So we're going to multiply each ordered pair by the scale factor, which is 1/2. You're going to get similar shape, just different sizes. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1. Okay? Multiply the scale factor by each ordered pair. All right, we'll look at some more. Let me just go over this real quick for right now. Let's do a scale factor of, I don't know, 3/2. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, if the number on top is bigger than the number on bottom, you're getting bigger. Like 3/2. So let's say we have a scale factor of 3/2. Let's say we have a scale factor of 3/2, and we're going to multiply it times, let's say 2, 4. 3 over 1. You're multiplying the numerator. Excuse me. Let's draw. Let's multiply 3, which is 3 over 1, multiplied. So you're going to multiply 3/2, which is 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. And now you're just going to multiply straight across. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is going to give you 3. To be patient, and I told you to be fine. 3 over 1 times, or 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. Now we're going to do 3 over 2 multiplied by 4 over 1. This is going to give you 12 over 2. You're going to multiply straight across. 12 over 2 is 6. 3/2. If the number on top is bigger than the number on bottom, you're getting smaller. Okay? Alright, that's it. Multiply each scale factor, or multiply each ordered pair by the scale factor. Okay? Y'all are going to do great on this. I believe in you. Keep up the good work. Later.